Hi, I'm Jeff Franklin, jeffsells.com at FC Tucker Realtors. Today, we're touring 7831 North Thames Drive. This estate home on over 4 acres is located in the Oliver Winery region. It is just north of Bloomington, close to Indianapolis access, and to Bloomington's Indiana University. This custom home has 2 stories, a finished walkout lower level, and gorgeous high caliber finishes. Let's take a look. The main level study has built-in bookcases and French doors, plus there's a formal living room or a parlor. This wonderful entertaining house has hardwood floors throughout the dining room, the kitchen. There's a main level study and a parlor, plus the master bedroom is on the main. The main level master bedroom has a tray ceiling treatment. There are French doors that extend out into the patio. Plus, there's a beautiful bay window here with views of the mature woods. The main level master bathroom has beautiful custom cabinetry. There's a jetted soaking tub, and there's a luxury freestanding ceramic shower. High caliber finishes include granite, custom cabinetry, a butcher block island, and professional appliances. One of the unsung heroes of any house is a laundry room / utility room. There are built-in lockers. There's a great extra fridge, freezer, washer and dryer, folding station, and an ironing board. This is the type of space that makes your life better. On the main level, there are an additional 3 bedrooms in this other corridor that's a split plan. There are a Jack and Jill and a 3rd bedroom with its own bathroom suite. This is the bonus room over the garage. It has its own separate stair. There's access to a full walk-in attic space for storage. Plus, there's an alcove for a bed area, sitting area, and I'm jealous of this wrapping space that's perfect for gift time. The lower level creates an entirely new entertaining space. There's a kitchenette, there's a family room that has its own fireplace, there's a workout area, plus there's another bedroom suite that's perfect for long-term guests or for in-laws or teens. Normally, the exciting parts of the house aren't the mechanicals, but in this case, the house has a mana-block water system, tankless water heater, and 2 energy-efficient systems as backup. This custom home was designed with all brick exterior. It has a really wonderful screen patio that's accessible from the lower level recreation room. And the house was designed so that if you ever want to have a pool, there's acres of space for that. Thank you for touring 7831 Thames Drive in the Oliver Winery region. Again, I'm Jeff Franklin, jeffsells.com at FC Tucker Realtors. Call me at 812-360-5333 for a personal tour.